What's up? Sorry for the wait, but here we go. We're gonna make Chevy sushi rolls. So we're gonna
Awesome.
do a quick pickle red onion. You do the rice vinegar. You do garlic and do whatever sweetener your choice. You're gonna see I'm gonna use the monk fruit sweetener. Put it in the container. Shake it up. Do that first so it can start the quick pickling while you're working. Then you're gonna make your sushi rice. It's in the international section. Just prepare it according to the directions. And then you go. So I chose to do avocado, cucumber, crab stick. Of course, I got my pickled red onions, got my rice seasoning. I highly suggest you do not skip on that so you don't get no blandness. We don't do that. And then I do my favorite toppings. Again, those are at the grocery store too, usually near the sushi section or the international section. I got the sriracha mayo and like the brown sushi sauce. I think it's called eel sauce in some places or whatever. So you're going to put your layers down. Again, all up to you. Sometimes I do salmon. I might come back through and do a salmon version. You can do shrimp. You can do lump crab. Again, this is really, you customize it to you. You don't have to follow mine. I suggest you try my Chevy roll because the pickled red onions are super bussin'. If you don't like any of these ingredients, take it out or sub it back in with something you like. Now, suggestion, I like to put sauce inside my roll so it's not just sticky with the rice. I like it a little sauced up. So you're going to see I put my topping sauce in the inside as well, just extra flavor. But again, that's my personal preference. You do it how you want to do it. Again, you can also use as much or as little rice as you want. Now these mats, international section, if you don't have one or an Asian market close to you, you can get on Amazon. They're like $5. Do not try to do this without it. Super clutch, makes it so much easier. So get the mat and boom, top it with a little red onion, some sauce in the back. You see my egg rolls, my crab rangoon egg rolls. Those are air fryer. So we're gonna get into that next. Boom.